Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how to upload photos on the DeepSeek AI app. First, open your browser and go to deepseek.com or launch the DeepSeek AI application if you already have it installed. If you are new, sign up for an account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you are inside, navigate to the upload section. Before doing so, make sure that the search and the deep think features are disabled, as this ensures the upload icon will work properly. Tap on the plus sign icon and choose from the available options, photo, image or document. For this process, select image. Next, choose the photo you want to upload. Once selected, click on Add. DeepSeek AI will begin downloading the photo. Wait a few moments for the upload to complete and you are all set. That's how to upload photos on the DeepSeek AI app. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.